Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to explore a book that has changed the financial lives of millions of people. More Than Enough: The 10 Keys to Changing Your Financial Destiny by Dave Ramsey. If you've ever struggled with debt, wondered how to save for the future, or just wanted more peace of mind about money, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll walk through the key principles Dave Ramsey lays out in his book and talk about how they can help you not only fix your financial situation, but transform your entire approach to money. So let's jump right in. More Than Enough is a book that goes beyond just basic money management. It's about creating a life where you have financial freedom, peace, and a sense of contentment. One of the key messages in the book is that having more than enough doesn't just refer to having a lot of money. It's about having the resources, peace of mind, and security that allows you to live the life you really want. Ramsey's goal in this book is to help you build a financial future that's more than just getting by. It's about thriving, and the keys he provides can help anyone, regardless of their financial situation, get to a place where they have more than enough. Right at the start, Dave Ramsey makes it clear that financial freedom begins with a vision. One of the biggest mistakes people make, he explains, is that they don't have a clear picture of what they want their financial future to look like. They have vague desires, like wanting to retire someday or paying off debt, but they don't have a clear and actionable plan to get there. Ramsey emphasizes the need to sit down and think about what you really want out of life, what your values are, what your priorities are, and how your money can support those things. Ramsey explains that many people live in a state of constant financial chaos because they lack this clarity. They're making decisions in the moment, reacting to financial problems as they arise, rather than having a long-term plan. If you want to change your financial destiny, you have to begin with a clear vision of where you're going. That means not just thinking about how much money you want to make or save, but understanding what financial peace looks like for you personally. For some, that might mean being debt-free and able to retire early. For others, it might mean having enough to give generously or travel the world. Whatever it is, Ramsey encourages you to define it clearly. Once you have that vision, you need to start taking steps to get there. And one of the first things Ramsey focuses on is getting rid of debt. According to him, debt is one of the biggest obstacles to achieving financial peace and freedom. In fact, he describes debt as a form of bondage, something that holds people back from living the life they truly want. We live in a society where debt has become normalized. Credit cards, car loans, student loans, these are all things that people accept as a part of life. But Ramsey argues that debt is a trap that keeps people from building real wealth. He points out that when you're in debt, your money is tied up in paying off what you owe, rather than being available for saving, investing, or giving. In the book, Ramsey is very clear. If you want to change your financial destiny, you need to stop using debt to finance your life. That means no more credit cards, no more car payments, and no more borrowing money to buy things you can't afford. He advocates for living within your means and paying for things with cash. This might seem radical, especially in a world where financing everything from electronics to vacations has become so common. But Ramsey insists that the freedom you gain by living debt-free is worth the sacrifice. When you don't owe anyone money, you have complete control over your financial situation. One of the first steps Ramsey recommends in the journey toward financial freedom is building an emergency fund. He suggests saving at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses so that you're prepared for unexpected financial setbacks, whether it's a medical emergency, job loss, or home repairs. This emergency fund is crucial because it gives you a safety net. Life is unpredictable, and without a financial cushion, people often turn to credit cards or loans when something unexpected happens. Ramsey argues that having an emergency fund allows you to handle life's surprises without going into debt. It turns what could be a financial disaster into a minor inconvenience. Having that safety net also gives you the peace of mind that if something goes wrong, you won't be completely derailed financially. Building an emergency fund is just one part of Ramsey's broader philosophy about budgeting. In the book, he stresses the importance of having a budget and sticking to it. Many people hear the word budget and think of it as something restrictive, something that's going to prevent them from enjoying their money. But Ramsey flips that idea on its head. He believes that a budget is actually liberating because it puts you in control of your money, rather than letting your money control you. The key is what Ramsey calls zero-based budgeting. This means that every dollar you earn has a purpose. At the beginning of each month, you allocate every dollar of your income to a specific category, whether that's rent, groceries, savings, or entertainment. The idea is to make sure that no money is wasted and that you're intentional about how you spend. By sticking to a budget, you're forced to think about what your financial priorities are. Instead of wondering where your money went at the end of the month, you know exactly where every dollar went because you planned it that way. This kind of intentionality is key to achieving financial freedom. Ramsey argues that most people don't have a spending problem, they have a planning problem. When you don't have a plan for your money, it's easy to overspend or spend on things that don't really matter. But when you have a budget, you're able to make conscious decisions about how to use your money in ways that support your financial goals. Another critical concept in Ramsey's philosophy is the idea of contentment. We live in a culture that is constantly telling us that we need more money, a bigger house, a nicer car, the latest gadgets. This keeping up with the Joneses mentality is a huge reason why so many people are in debt. They're spending money they don't have to impress people they don't even know. Ramsey explains that learning to be content with what you have is one of the most important keys to achieving financial peace. When you stop comparing yourself to others and stop chasing after things you don't need, you're able to live within your means and make financial decisions that align with your values. Ramsey makes the point that true wealth isn't about how much stuff you have. It's about the freedom and security that comes from living debt-free and within your means. He encourages readers to focus on what really matters in life relationships, personal growth, and experiences. These are the things that bring lasting happiness, not material possessions. When you're content with what you have, you're able to avoid the trap of consumerism and make choices that lead to long-term financial stability. In More Than Enough, Ramsey also talks about the importance of saving and investing for the future. He teaches that building wealth is a slow and steady process that requires discipline and patience. It's not about getting rich quick or finding the next big thing. It's about consistently setting money aside, investing it wisely, and letting it grow over time. Ramsey is a big advocate of compound interest, which is the idea that your money can earn money and then that money earns even more money. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Ramsey recommends investing in things like retirement accounts, mutual funds, and real estate, but he also emphasizes the importance of being smart about your investments. He advises people to avoid high-risk speculative investments and instead focus on building a diversified portfolio that will provide steady growth over time. The goal, he says, isn't to strike it rich overnight, but to build wealth slowly and steadily over the course of your life. This approach allows you to create lasting financial security rather than chasing after the latest investment trends or taking on unnecessary risk. Another key theme in the book is generosity. Ramsey believes that financial peace isn't just about what you have. It's about what you're able to give. He argues that once you've gotten your own financial house in order, you should make giving a priority. Generosity is a reflection of a mindset of abundance, not scarcity. Ramsey teaches that when you give, whether it's money, time, or talent, you're not just helping others, you're also enriching your own life. He explains that true financial peace comes from being able to live generously without worrying about whether you'll have enough for yourself. For Ramsey, giving is not just something you do once you're financially secure, it's a part of the journey. He encourages people to start giving, even if they're still working on getting out of debt or building their emergency fund. The act of giving, he says, helps cultivate a mindset of abundance and teaches you to manage your money with a purpose beyond just accumulating wealth. When you give, you're reminded that money is just a tool, and its real value comes from how you use it to impact others. Ramsey also emphasizes the importance of relationships in achieving financial success. He argues that financial peace is not just an individual pursuit, but something that is deeply influenced by the people around us. He stresses the need for accountability and community. Surrounding yourself with people who share your values and support your financial goals is crucial. These relationships can provide encouragement, guidance, and sometimes a bit of tough love when you're tempted to make poor financial decisions. Ramsey believes that the quality of your relationships will significantly impact your financial future, so it's important to build a strong support system. In More Than Enough, Ramsey also talks about discipline. He emphasizes that changing your financial destiny requires self-control and the ability to delay gratification. We live in a world where we're constantly bombarded with messages that tell us we should have what we want, when we want it. But Ramsey argues that this mindset is a major obstacle to financial success. If you want to build wealth and achieve financial peace, you have to be willing to make sacrifices in the short term for the sake of long-term rewards. Another important concept Ramsey discusses is career development. He believes that one of the keys to financial success is finding work that aligns with your passions and values. Ramsey encourages readers to invest in their own personal growth and to pursue careers that they find meaningful. When you're doing work that you're passionate about, you're more motivated to excel, which can lead to greater financial rewards. Ramsey stresses the importance of continuing to learn and grow throughout your career. By constantly improving your skills and challenging yourself professionally, you'll increase your earning potential and create more opportunities to achieve your financial goals. Ramsey also talks about the importance of leaving a legacy. He encourages readers to think about the long-term impact of their financial decisions, not just for themselves, but for future generations. This isn't just about leaving money behind. It's about passing on financial wisdom and teaching your children how to manage money responsibly. Ramsey believes that by making smart financial decisions today, you can set your family up for success for years to come. He talks about the importance of teaching children about money from a young age so that they can avoid the mistakes that many people make. In More Than Enough, Ramsey outlines a financial philosophy that's rooted in timeless wisdom and practical advice. His 10 keys to changing your financial destiny are designed to help you not only improve your financial situation, but also build a life that's more than enough. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to fine-tune your existing plan, Ramsey's principles can help you achieve lasting financial peace. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're applying these principles in your own life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content about personal finance, investing, and wealth building strategies. Let's take control of our financial futures and live a life that's truly more than enough.